Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which two-slice toasters to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description below. A slice toaster is designed to toast the slices of bread for the right amount of time. Toast is a comfort food that most households enjoy, so having a toaster is essential. A two-slice toaster is a great option for kitchens with limited space. So if you're looking for a product that will help make your breakfast easy, this video will guide you with it. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The two-slice toasters that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the number one position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as the timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The two-slice toasters coming in at number 5 on our list is the Cuisinart Touch to Toast Leverless two-slice toaster. This toaster is reliable and will easily handle all of your toasting needs. It is a seamless blend of digital technology and state-of-the-art design that makes this one of the most intuitive and versatile toasters on the market today. It also brings elegant design to your home and delivers performance with powerful features such as digital interference, leverless lift, and a countdown timer. This unit comes with the following toasting functions. This toaster is suitable for regular bread and toasting. If you want to toast your bagel, the best way to do it is to use the top half of the toaster. The defrost button makes it possible for you to toast frozen bread without having to defrost the toast manually before you use the toaster. In case you get busy and you forget about the toast, the reheat button warms up your toast without browning or burning it. And lastly is the cancel button that stops all toasting operations and raises the bread out of the toasting chamber. It also has a shade control setting that offers a full range of browning options to allow perfect customization of any piece of bread. The motor quietly and securely lowers the bread into the toasting chamber. When the toasting cycle is finished, a ready beep is heard and the motorized lift raises the bread high above the housing for easy access to your toast. The 1.5-inch toaster slots allow for a variety of items to be toasted with a Cuisinart compact toaster. Cleaning up is easy with its removable crumb tray. It even has a cord wrap underneath the unit to manage unsightly power cords while not in use. Our team was impressed with this product, with its affordable and leverless technology. We are certain you'll be happy with this Cuisinart Touch to Toast Leverless two-slice toaster. The two-slice toasters coming in at number 4 on our list is the Smeg two-slice toaster. The Smeg two-slice toaster is the ideal morning companion, combining functionality and ergonomics in a stylish package. The mid-century design comes in a bright selection of vintage colors. It is ultra chic and unique without compromising on functionality. This eco-friendly toaster consumes minimal energy with maximum performance. Its vintage details include a ball leather knob, a polished chrome base, and backlit chrome controls, with 6 browning levels and 3 preset programs. It is also loaded with high-tech features that let you toast, defrost, and reheat everything from bagels to artisan breads. The slots are extra wide, so you can go ahead and pop in your banana bread and brioche slices too. This Smeg two-slice toaster is constructed from steel with a polished chrome base and stainless steel and chrome controls. The rich, colourful enamel finishes are powder-coated for the ultimate in beauty and durability. Another feature is that when the selected toasting time has finished, the slices pop up automatically. The sandwich racks facilitate the heating of the bread with the desired filling, and the bun warmer can be used to heat paninis, focaccia bread, or brioche, and can serve them warm direct to the table. The Smeg toaster comes with a stainless steel crumb tray that is extra wide and pops out easily for easy cleaning. Smeg's 50s retro style appliances will add a pop to any kitchen. With their sturdy powder-coated steel body, polished chrome base, stainless steel ball lever knob, and backlit chrome knob, Smeg toasters are made to last and will never go out of style. The 2-slice toaster coming in at number 3 on our list is the KitchenAid ProLine toaster. The KitchenAid 2-slice automatic toaster is equipped with a host of smart features for effortless toasting. The toaster has 7 different settings, including bagels, defrost, and warm. The automatic keep warm function keeps the toast warm for up to 3 minutes after toasting, so you've got plenty of time to finish cooking any other food. It has a high-end lever that makes it easy to remove smaller pieces of bread or check the toasting progress at any time. This toaster offers durability and extraordinary style with a smudge-resistant and painted metal house for easy cleanup. The 1.5-inch slot accommodates many bread widths. Simply select a frost, keep warm, or bagel mode to suit your needs. Plus, its crumb tray that can be easily taken out is located along the entire bottom of the toaster, which slides out for easy cleaning. You can quickly check your toast progress without stopping the toaster. Another advantage is the peek and see feature that gives you a sneak peek of the browning progress anytime you want. This toaster makes a sound alert when it finishes and raises the toast slowly into view rather than popping it up. Premium performance brings matched results and style to your kitchen. Its stylish design comes in 5 colors to suit most of the kitchen's themes, and it feels high-end when used. In a test, our team found the KitchenAid Pro toaster was consistent even when toasting batch after batch. Almost every slice came out with edge-to-edge golden brown finish. The 2-slice toaster coming in at number 2 on our list is the Revolution Cooking Touchscreen Toaster. The Revolution Cooking Touchscreen Toaster is clearly unlike any toaster you've seen before. Regular toasters have basically been using the same heating coil technology since the 1800s, and they certainly do not have touchscreens. Updating that heating technology with diamond-coiled heating elements and automatic dropping and lifting, this toaster makes the toast and brings it to the 21st century. The bread items put into the toaster don't touch the heating element, like so many cheaper toasters out there. This is enabled by the toaster automatically dropping the bread into the depths of the device and sizing it to fit based on the type of bread you select on the touchscreen. Bread, bagels, pastries, English muffins, and waffles are among the options. The degree of toast goes from 1 to 7, and you can select fresh, frozen, or even reheat. While the touchscreen is certainly convenient, this toaster's most innovative feature is actually its smart technology, which heats bread in a fraction of the time it takes a traditional toaster. Revolution Cooking's technology toasts the bread more evenly and efficiently, with 7 browning levels, 3 toasting modes, and 5 different food settings. It automatically lowers and lifts, chirping an alert when it's done. Unlike other toasters, what our team liked about this the most is that it requires 0 preheating and toasts about 35% faster than the leading premium toasters. It also alerts you when the catching tray needs to be emptied. This is a perfect gift for weddings, housewarmings, Mother's and Father's Day, and more. And finally, we come to the number 1 2-slice toaster on our list, the Breville Die-Cast 2-Slice Smart Toaster. The Breville Smart Toaster is a high-quality product that is very easy to use. It has simple-to-read digital controls located at the top of the toaster. It also features creative one-touch automation for perfect toast every time you switch it on. You can use oversized slices of bread or thick bagels without a problem. A silver toaster with its brushed stainless steel finish makes for a sleek and stylish look. With a compact body that measures 8.6 by 11.6 by 7.5 inches. It is easy to move around and store if space is at a premium. The metal body is durable, well built, and provides heat evenly across the bread. It comes with 2 extra wide slots, so it can toast thicker slices including bagels. The Breville Smart Toaster has a sliding heat control and LED lights that show the working status of the toaster at any time. There is also a cancel button function that allows for you to cancel toasting halfway through if you need to. You can also use the lift and look feature to check how your breakfast is doing during the toasting process. A few more options: add extra toasting time that will allow you to brown your toast a little more to your taste. Cleanliness is also an important consideration because there will always be crumbs when toasting the bread. So for ease of cleaning, you can pull the tray out and clean away the breadcrumbs easily. Breville did an excellent job of a product that could not better accommodate your life in the kitchen, according to our team. It may be a little pricey, but this is the best, which is why we ranked it first on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 2-slice toasters that got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next 2-slice toasters roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we will be sure to take a look at it for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.